let's head to the crypto space now and see what's going on there. Some things are brewing from the story around CBAN to something I think going on from Binance launching features contracts and a whole lot more. Now, let's head to that space. Let's see what's happening. Yesterday, Larry Williams was very proud of this market. It was a whole lot of green yesterday. Well, it hits not a new high since we've been here before, but well, a huge recovery, we could say, from about 62,000. I think we had that at the close of the day yesterday. The trade doesn't close yet, but for the last 1 hour, we see more than 2% increase at 63,558.01. Ethereum is also looking green, but we do have pockets of red today. Unlike yesterday, it was very, very green. I wonder if it's still the after effect of the Fed rate cut. But let's talk to Olumide Adesina now and find out. Perhaps that's still what is driving this. Hi, Olumide. Good afternoon.
Thanks for having me.
Great. So can we say this is still the spillover effect of the Fed rate cuts?
Definitely. The appetite for risk is being elevated after the US Fed surprised the market by 50 basis cuts. But having said that, you look at the fundamentals right now, as we speak, you see that Bitcoin is consolidating around the 63,500 mark. And pretty much what it says is that it's still looking for key drivers to be able to elevate it above 65,000. And looking at the US stock market futures, it seems that the market is slightly down. So it's possibly that the bulls will lose support above the 63K level. But having really said that, I think dynamics in the market has shown that Bitcoin has been the favorite among traditional investors. If you look at the year-to-date return this year, it's hovering at around 46%, while Ethereum still has little positivity despite gaining about 6% this week. So for callers, I think it's fair to say that Bitcoin is here to stay. Meme coins, very volatile. The top 10 meme coins this year are still down by more than 50%, despite the introduction of many fundamental structural assets like Doge, the Thought blockchain, the Solana ecosystem ruled by Bonk, and the rest. Is still been a very volatile social. So I think what will make the difference in going forward is the US election. A Trump win definitely will stamp the bulls in authority, but it looks like, according to polls, Harris still has the card on her, and that's why the market really can't be on the run we see in March, April.
Yeah, well, the U.S. moves everything, I guess. Their rate cut has moved the market. Now we're counting down to election, and we'll see where it ends and how it moves the market. But apart from the U.S., in Germany, the government has shut down 47 crypto exchanges in a crackdown that they call illicit activities. I mean, this distrust of the crypto, sometimes in some cases, it does appear justified.
Yeah, the reality is that, government definitely wants control. And if you look at the fundamentals around the crypto market, the theme is decentralized finance, despite the fact that many altcoins and structural exchanges have this centralized structure. So what we are saying is that while the government is being tactical about it, some ecosystem are being blunt. So if you look at the Europeans, particularly the Germans, the French, and the English, they phased out dollar-based stable coins in place of European staples because they feel that they can easily control euro-related crypto assets than the USDT. Also, you look at the fact that the Germans sold their Bitcoin stash rather than holding it like the Americans, telling you that they are less interested in the speculative assets. So yeah, you could say that there's still pessimism around, but when you look at 10 years ago, I think there are a lot of improvement. Nobody would have seen templating BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and having exposure in the crypto market. So it's still an early market, young market. Particularly, the market is less than 30 years old. So you definitely can't expect all this acceptance at once. But I think what will make the difference is who wins the US election November 4.
All right. Okay. So I still in the United States. Thank you so much, Olumide Additional, for your thoughts, and do have a great weekend.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
So it seems the US still controls everything, yeah, in spite of the message of de-dollarizing the world. Anyways, they have the economic power now, so I guess we might have well accepted. But that's how much we can do on Business Incorporated today. Thank you so much for being a part of it. It's been pleasant having you there, sharing information and all of that from Monday till today. The cycle starts again on Monday. I do hope you will join us then. Remember to join Laddie Williams tomorrow, 7 p.m., Capital Market on Saturday. He'll take you around the market, summary of trading for the week. For me, I wish you a great weekend, a restful one. I'll see you on Monday. God's grace. Bye-bye.